What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. We are talking about Shiba Inu in today's video, of course, but before we do that, I really want to encourage you guys to hit the like and the subscribe button. It helps the channel out immensely and of course gets this video out to more people. Plus, when you hit the subscribe button, it's a great way to get access to all of our videos and get even notifications if you hit the notification bell every time we post a new video. So if you guys think that sounds interesting, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and like the video. We have a lot of news to cover today, guys. We have this first tweet that I want to go over, and we have a few different news articles that I do want to discuss as well. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Only ETH and USD are more purchased than Shib. Let that sink in. Hashtag Shib Army. This is posted by Gossip Shib, and here is the photo that she has tweeted out, and basically it's the top 10 purchased tokens over the last 24 hours. As you can see, Ethereum is of course #1, but when we go down here to Shiba Inu is really very close to being the top, right? It's only in 5th place basically, and look at the average token quantity, right? The average token quantity compared to all of these, given this is a much cheaper coin obviously than most of these other tokens, is a lot more, 52,000 to be exact, and the average purchase amount is about $1,000. People are spending about $1,000 per purchase on Shiba Inu. So as you can see, the overall community is still very engaged. They're still very aware of what's going on with Shiba Inu, and they're very excited, I think, for the hopeful bounce back that we're experiencing right now. If you actually go to the technical analysis that we're looking at as far as trading view is concerned, this is what we're looking at, right? We had that nice little bounce off of that previous support level, and now we're starting to kind of consolidate at these levels. We're pulling back a little bit here on the day. We're forming a bit of a green candle as I'm making this video. Again, that could change at any time though, so don't be surprised. And unfortunately, guys, one of the things I want to mention is that I would not be surprised if we see an overall pullback in the crypto markets today. We're up just about 1% after the lows of yesterday, but I still think that there is a little bit of bleeding left to go. So if Shib does dip down a little bit lower, I do not want you guys to be surprised. Okay, I think we could see a little bit more pain before we can see a little bit more gain. Okay, so keep that in mind. I want to go over this article because this actually talks about Shiba Inu's recovery and what we're going to likely experience over the next couple of weeks. But before we do that, guys, I really want to say that, guys, there's one more day. Today is the last day that you can take advantage of our 50% off sale on our Discord. If you guys want to get in now, get in at a good price, and take advantage of our buy and sell alerts and the amazing community that we offer. I think you guys really want to take advantage of this. Normally it's $20, and guys, right now it's 50% off. It's $10. I think you really will enjoy being a part of this community and joining up with it. Make sure you guys join if you haven't already, and yeah, I think you guys will really like it. Last day for the 50% off sale. But let's talk that news article, guys. I want to get over this. So Shiba Inu recovers 40% from a recent low. It even surpasses Polygon Matic. Let's read a little bit more about this and see what this entails. Shiba Inu, or Shib, has managed to stay on an impressive comeback, recovering over 40% from its January 22nd low. Recently, it is the 14th biggest coin by market capitalization after surpassing Polygon Matic. The K9 cryptocurrency is currently trading at the 402316 level on the Binance exchange. As reported by You Today, Shib collapsed by over 1 to the 1704 level, which is its lowest level since October 6th amid an ugly sell-off. It slipped on the 16th spot by CoinMarketCap on Saturday, severely underperforming other cryptocurrencies. Even the increasing burn rate did not help to starve off the disastrous crash. The Ethereum-based token is still down about 73% from its record high after the recent uptick. It's also down about 24% over the past week, which is in line with the rest of the market. According to the data provided by Into the Block, only 39% of Shib holders are in profit at the moment. BTC is the #1 cryptocurrency, obviously, and they've plunged pretty significantly as well over the last couple of days. But let's read a little bit more. So what they're saying here is that we are going to be able to recover more than likely here within a couple of days, if not weeks. Not fully recover to like all-time highs, but at least get back to some type of bullish momentum in the market. This is something that if you go to look at a coin like Bitcoin, for instance, this is what we've really been waiting for the last couple of months. If you go to the year chart and look at the previous all-time high that we hit, which was pretty much around November 7th, this was the last major pretty much high point that we hit. Unfortunately, after this, we obviously have plunged towards the downside, and now we're all the way down here. And that being said, unless we can figure out, I think we're going to be able to hopefully start consolidating like we've seen in previous eras like this, and then hopefully start to move back towards an upward trend. Something like this actually very similar happened in the beginning of last year, where we had huge lows, and then pretty much towards the end of January, we started to see massive climbs back towards the upside. As you can see here, the new rally, if you will, started up, and we saw Bitcoin run all the way to about 63,000, and then again going into kind of the summer months in around June and May, obviously pull back there, and then we restarted it and went back to new all-time highs. So I think that we will get there, guys. It's just a matter of when, and when still remains to be seen. But this is why we're long-term holders, right? This is why I hold my tokens. I don't sell, I don't trade these tokens. I just buy and I hold. That's my thesis. Speaking of buying and holding, I actually hold quite a bit of Shiba Inu on public.com. And if you guys want to start buying Shiba Inu on public.com, use the first link down in the description below. All you guys have to do when you use that link is you sign up and deposit at least $1, and you guys will get a free stock that could be worth all the way up to $70. Usually it's a great selection of companies like Google, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, or Tesla. And of course, as well, it's a great social investing network app that allows you to see what other people are buying and selling, including us in our portfolio on the website as well. So hit the first link down in the description below, sign up and deposit at least $1, and you guys can get some free money there either way. We have a few other news articles to go over real quick here. Shib is now available to trade on Uphold, which is one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. This is a really cool piece of news. Just more access, obviously, to Shiba Inu is never a bad thing. In my opinion, these exchange listings are good. This is a pretty loaded article. Shiba Inu is now available to over 1.7 million users, which is just a really cool piece of news in general. But they talk a little bit here about Shib being rumored to debut on Robinhood by early February. So again, it's awesome that obviously Shib is now continuing to surpass these new levels of holders. But let's talk about this. Recently, rumors emerged that a listing may happen in February or within the first quarter of this year, according to business news handle Zero Hedge. Jason Warnick, who is Robinhood's CFO, revealed during the Wall Street Journal Virtual CFO Network that the company wants more clarity from regulators before adding new tokens like Shib. He said, "We're a highly regulated company in a highly regulated industry, and we think it's important that we get a bit more clarity from regulators." Now, again, February does seem like to be the rumored month, but everything we've heard so far from the actual development team, from the actual executives within Robinhood, seem to be slow in this area. We know that they actually just launched a kind of beta testing of their new crypto wallets. I know that was something that a lot of the community was very excited about, but unfortunately that took a while to get done, and it seems like there's going to be a little bit more. I wouldn't be surprised if we see something in February. I'm hoping for a February listing. Let me know in the comments below when you guys think it's going to get listed. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts either way. But other than that, guys, make sure to take advantage of our 50% off sale. Today is the last day that you guys can get access to this, and of course, make sure to get a free stock with public with the first link down in the description below. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Pro. Take it easy.